For any small business in today's world, having a website is vital. It not only creates an online presence, but also allows businesses to advertise their products or services, attract potential customers, and make sales. However, one question often arises: what is the reality of the cost? This video will break down the different factors to help you estimate the expenses of creating a website for your small business. Research shows that having a website is crucial for small businesses. Establishing an online presence opens your business to a global audience, allowing customers to browse at their convenience. A website showcases your products or services with attractive visuals and descriptive texts, adding credibility. It also connects you with potential customers, enabling them to gain more information, engage with you, and even make purchases online. With efficient content marketing tools, your website can drive sales and generate new leads, making it an essential marketing tool for success. To build a website, you'll need several essential tools. First, a domain name, which is the web address users type to access your site. This typically costs between $10 to $20 annually. Next, web hosting services, which put your website on the internet, range from $3 to $10 per month for basic plans. A content management system, or CMS like WordPress, Joomla, or Drupal, helps you create and manage your website content. While these platforms are free, premium themes or add-ons may incur additional costs. Lastly, web design and development services can range from $500 to thousands of dollars, depending on complexity. One cost-effective option is using DIY website builders like Wix, Squarespace, and Weebly. These platforms offer easy-to-use templates and drag-and-drop functionality, making it accessible for anyone to create a website without coding knowledge. DIY website builders are affordable, with various pricing plans to fit your budget. They provide intuitive interfaces and a wide range of pre-designed templates, allowing you to create a professional-looking website. However, they have limitations in customization compared to custom-built websites, and additional costs may arise for extra features or functionality. Hiring a freelancer can be a cost-effective option, especially if you have a limited budget. Freelancers offer development services on a project basis, allowing you to control costs based on your needs. They often have lower overhead costs compared to agencies, providing competitive pricing. Freelancers can adapt to your specific requirements and offer personalized solutions. The cost of hiring a freelancer varies depending on their experience, project complexity, and the number of pages or features required. Basic websites range from $500 to $1,500, while websites with e-commerce functionality can cost between $1,500 and $5,000. Working with a web development agency provides professional expertise and ensures a polished, functional site tailored to your needs. Agencies have teams of professionals with diverse skill sets, including web designers, developers, and project managers. They can create a customized website that reflects your brand's unique identity and accommodate scalability as your business grows. The cost of hiring an agency depends on project complexity, ongoing maintenance, and support. Basic websites range from $2,500 to $10,000, while websites with e-commerce functionality can cost between $5,000 and $30,000. Apart from the initial design costs, there are hidden costs to consider. Domain registration is essential and typically costs between $10 and $20 per year. Web hosting services can range from $3 to $10 per month for shared hosting. Additionally, ongoing maintenance, plugin updates, and technical support may incur extra expenses. Factoring in these hidden costs ensures a comprehensive budget for your website development.